which
That's
is
good.
really great for me.
Yeah, that's good. It was hard. That was a hard test. I
It
don't know. I
was.
struggled
I
with
was like,
I felt like it had a lot more review in it, or I don't know if that was even what was frustrating. I don't know. I just didn't really love it. I had a hard time with it.
yeah, I don't blame you in that. I did too. And I kind of get the feeling that with this last test, it's probably going to be about the same.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured too. So the other tests I thought were pretty good, but this test was just a lot more difficult for me, I guess.
Yeah.
But whatever. So I can just take the quiz. Are you ready?
I am ready when you are.
Okay. So question 3. The correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength. So that has to be the linear, and it's direction and strength, right?
The third one.
Third one. Okay. If the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, the other tends to decrease, right?
I think so, but I'm also thinking increase too. Hold on. Let me see what I have.
Because I wrote for positive, an increase in one variable leads to an increase in another. But with negative, an increase in one variable is a decrease in the other. So.
Yep, you're right. Found it. Decrease.
Okay. Question 5, the effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. So I said false.
Yeah, false too.
For the next 2 questions, take the old faithful data file and compute the correlation coefficient of duration and weight. Okay. Do you know when we're supposed, like which we're supposed to put on the x-axis and which on the y?
Unless they actually specify, which normally they do, I'm assuming duration is going to be our variable, and the other one is going to be our response variable.
Okay. Because when I was doing some of the homework, and it like asked you to look at the scatter plot, my scatter plots all looked really weird, and it just depended on how I put them in, like which column I had the different things in. And it just was weird to me that they didn't specify like which one was which. I don't know. I feel like it's just easier for them to tell us where to put it.
I know, right?
But whatever. Okay, so I got 0.901.
That's what I got too.
What is the direction and strength between the weight and duration?
Positive
So, positive and what?
Positive and strong. So my understanding is it's not negative, so it's automatically going to be positive, and it's closer to 1, so it'll be strong.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Oh, okay. So the bottom 3 are negative. So 3 equals R equals 0. Positive ones are A and B. So A, I'd say R equals 1. Wait, why? Number 1, sorry, that's number 1. Is R equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then B, I'd say R equals 0.95. For number 2.
I would agree.
Number 3, R equals 0. Number 4, would you say R equals negative 1?
1.
Okay. Then 5, negative 0.95,
Uh-huh.
and then 6 would be negative 0.6.
Yes.
Okay. That wasn't bad. Okay, so for the next two questions, take the math self-efficacy data file and compute the correlation coefficient of score and confidence. Okay.
That one I get is 0.728.
Okay, sorry, just a second. Oh, dang it. Zero 728.
Uh-huh.
Yep, me too. What is the direction and strength between score and confidence?
It's a positive for sure.
Should we say strong again? Because weak, I would think, is anything like 0.5 and below, maybe.
That's what I would think too.
So positive and strong. Sweet. That was a lot easier.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yay! So I guess the only other thing we have this week that we should talk about is the collect the data thing.
Mm-hmm. I've actually been kind of working on that. So I got your email that you sent.
Perfect.
And so what I did was I went ahead and added mine up in that and got the proportion as well.
Okay.
And then I've kind of started writing like the paragraphs that we need. In here it says that you need to have at least no more than 2 pages and then at least 1 to 3 paragraphs.
Okay.
In the paragraphs in that I basically talked about kind of like what we've done to gather up our stuff. Where I don't know how you did yours. I hadn't put that in yet, but that's the general first paragraph. And then the second one was what we did, and that to actually get the proportion of what we found.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't know what else to do other than talk about our findings.
Okay.
Mine was weird. When I added mine up, it was less than 20%. I got a 0.1789.
Oh, wow.
And a few other numbers. And whereas yours was exactly the 20% mark.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking maybe talk about how where you did your sample and I did mine, and that where it was close and that to the 20, I obviously showed that it wasn't exactly 20% of red.
Yeah. And so then total of like both of ours, what was the percent for that?
Ooh, where's my calculator? So if we add both of these up together, 0.209. Okay, so adding them both together, yours and my proportion adds up to 0.388 and some numbers.
Okay. So then if we divide, do we divide that by 50, right? To see what it is?
If I divide that by 50, I get 0.007.
Or maybe divide it by, divide it by 2, maybe. Sorry, yeah, divide it by 2. I guess if we added them all up individually and then divided it by 50.
So that you get is 0.1942.
1942. So yeah, so we're still at 19%. So we're not even at 20%.
No.
Okay.
So
we can prove it wrong. I don't know if it's statistically significant yet, but
yeah,
that's cool. I'm glad we didn't get 20%.
Right. So I'll just go ahead and do a third paragraph in that, marking up how we added them both up together and we don't get to the 20%. So basically, right now we could say that it would fail. We would reject our hypothesis.
Yeah. And then once we figure out if it's statistically significant, we can actually have the right answer. Yeah, I think that's cool. So do you need me to just tell you like how I got the Skittles? Is that what you need me to do?
Yes. So basically, I'm assuming you went ahead and went to your local grocery store.
Yeah, I just went to Walmart in Rexburg and I picked out 25 packages of Skittles.
I felt a little weird doing mine, so I actually made 2 trips and picked up.
I don't blame you. I felt really weird.
Yeah, even going and buying like 13 and then 12, I was like,
yeah,
these people don't look at me.
I know. Like, what do they think I need all these Skittles for? I actually told the person at the checkout stand, I was like, I'm doing a project. I am not OCD about Skittles, I promise. It's funny.
I thought I'd have to do the same thing, but the new chance that we have out here in Plain City has a self-checkout, so I just went to the self-checkout to avoid having
Nice.
to.
That's a good idea. Cool.
And then how do we want to go ahead and do our graphs? Do we want to do pie charts and that for your 25 bags and then my 25 bags and then combine them together?
I think we should just do one graph.
Okay. And then we want to do the number of Skittles, and then are we doing the number of bags? Or do we want to do the Skittles in proportion?
I don't know. Maybe if we did like total Skittles and then what percent of the red. Is that how it works? So we can, let me pull my thing that I did an example. Skittles, there it is. So if I do that. Like if we could do the total amount of Skittles and then what percent of it we found to be red, I think that'd be cool, but I don't know how to do that. So if we like, what do you think? My husband's so good at Excel, I should just ask him.
I know, my brother is too.
Maybe if I did this. Yeah, no, that's not looking good. I did.
No. Mm.
Here we go. Okay. I'm going to show you what I did. Can I share my screen on this thing to show you? I don't know how to do that.
I don't know how to do that either.
If I screen share.
Yeah,
This
there's a little tool. Yeah.
Share that. There we go. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So, oh wait, now it won't really let me see it. Okay, but so I just made that little table up on the top, and I did the summation. What's that called? Equation.
Uh-huh.
And I did this table right here on this one, and in the red Skittles, I just did the summation of all of these ones. And then I highlighted them and said, make it a pie chart. So then it tells us, out of all the Skittles, this is how many are red.
Okay, that works too.
Yeah.
So simple.
Yeah, so that wasn't too bad. So I think if you just did something like that with just everything, then that would be good.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to do it a little complicated, but that works.
Yeah.
Alright, I will work on this and hopefully, I don't know if I'll have it all tonight. I might. If not, I will for sure get it out tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll send it.
Perfect. And then if I understand it right, do I submit just my collect the data, and then you're going to submit the rest, your collect data and describe the data?
That's what I understood.
Okay, perfect. Then yeah, I'll just, if you want to just email me that and I can look over it if you want me to. And then yeah, that sounds good to me.
Okay, awesome. Also, one other thing. Next Tuesday is my work Christmas party. And so I was wondering if we could either bump up our meeting to like Monday or maybe say meet at like 5:30 on Tuesday.
Yeah, so I'm actually working on Tuesday, so I could meet on Monday instead.
Okay. Do you want to meet normal time on Monday or?
Whenever, what would work for you?
I don't usually get home until about 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Able to have at least 5:30 the latest.
Okay.
So if I'm meeting about 5:30 Monday, that works.
5:30? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just putting it in my phone right now, so I will remember to do my homework earlier that day.
Yeah.
So 5:30. Cool. Yeah, that should work just fine. Thanks for letting me know.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. And then just let me know if you need help with that, and just email me or whatever, and I can help you.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Thanks, Ashley. And then I'll see you on Thursday.
Yep, see you Thursday.
All right. See ya.
Bye.